Good morning, lovelies. Happy Tuesday. How's everyone doing on this wonderful Tuesday? I'm feeling a bit extra today, so that's nice. Okay, so for my look today, I did the CC cream again. I'm in light to medium. I really dig this. This is a really nice, like, light coverage, just color correcting, like, every day. Like, I like it. I like all of our foundations, which is weird. I never thought I'd say those words, but I love them. And then, like, I did my normal contouring and brightening, and my eyes watering already, and getting rid of my beautiful makeup look that I can't even talk about yet because my eyes are watering. Okay, so then for my eyes, I did something a little bold and crazy. Like, I was trying something out and I like it. I'm gonna probably do it again sometime and really kind of refine it. But I used the Morphe 39S palette and I used a lot of the colors in it. So to start off with the color, I did this pink prize color, and I did that right along in the crease and then slightly above, because I do have those hooded eyes, so I went slightly above with that. Then I came back in with this mauvelous color, and I did that in the corner here and the corner here, so the inner and the outer corners, to kind of start to make that halo shape. And then for the center halo part, I didn't do like a cut crease halo, I just had left room, right? So I went in and did a mixture of the laven-dare, the peri-twinkle, and the Here For It, which is this pink color. So I did this one, this one, this one. And then once that was set, I went back in with my finger actually and did a little bit of this, it's called Shiny Object. It's kind of like this like iridescent kind of gunmetal-y color to kind of get that purple like super shimmer in there, right? Oh, before that, I forgot. So before I put the halo on, I had gone in with this color called It's Violet, this color. And I had started to do like just a little slight wing. So you can see just a little bit of that purple, just a hint. So I did like just a whoop from like the center out along the lash line and up to make like a wing. So I did that before I went in and did that halo in the center. Sorry, I forgot about that. And then for the bottom, I just took the Express waterproof mascara. Fun stuff, you're welcome. Express waterproof eyeliner in blue, and put that all along the bottom and in my lash line, and really got it into those lashes. And then I took just a small little chiseled brush and I took a little bit of that color and just kind of blended that out just slightly, right? So then for the wingy dingy, I used the ink liner and just created like a fun kind of dramatic wing. Maybe someday I will try falsies and really make it pop. But until then, I just rocked my own lashes with the Zen, of course. And then since this was nice and crazy, I went super natural, hush, 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 you're fine, honey, with my lippies. And I did a lip liner 201, and then I did the Au Naturel Matte Liquid Lip number 203. So that's just my look for today. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Baba. Okay, you can come say hi, come here. Bubba hopes you have a wonderful day as well. So remember, don't forget to get in on August giveaway. We're winding down in August, so we haven't had a ton of participants. So if you want to win something, might as well like and share. Your odds are ever in your favor. Name that movie. So it's for an Extra Last in Black, my go-to eyeliner. It's for the eyebrow and lash serum, which this is amazing. It will help grow your lashes, fill in your brows, those types of things. And then it's also for a $25 Betty Jane Boutique gift card. So everything I'm wearing is from obviously Betty Jane Boutique. So we're going to be doing some awesome giveaways and things throughout the next few months, you know, just share, like and share. So anywho, today I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and we'll see you next time. Bye.